Jeez. I said you could spend a lot of time in here. You could just spend all of your time that you have. Just how many different kinds of vendors there are in these. And a ton of campgrounds. We've made a few contacts, but it's crazy. I mean, everything you can imagine inside here. A lot of old people remedies. It's an older clientele in these shows. It definitely is. Only here for the free candy folks. He got caught red-handed. Oh, it's the good ones.
But I mean, he'll find it.
Why I stopped.
There's some neat-looking trailers in here. Gourmet grilled cheese. That just sounds like an expensive grilled cheese sandwich to me. And this is how you go out for gate number 3, which is only a country mile away from our motorhome. Planes, trains, and automobiles. On a different one now. It's back to the gate that we came in on, the parking lot. That's good that they have all this free transportation. It's not really free. You pay for it in your admission, I'm sure. Superior. That's pretty old. So we've been here for our second day. Part of the day number 2. There's gate 3. Is that where we need to be? And we didn't see everything. Kill yourself really in 2 days. This is all the walking and the heat and everything. But it's quite a show.
Hey there, people in YouTube land. We hope that you are enjoying our videos, and if you are, please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you.